Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so I'm going to present to you at least 2 videos that are being talked about on social media. I'm going to tell you what I think about these videos as well. Now, first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a certain amount of persons pushing a motor vehicle that has the word Beryllium marked on it, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, it seems as if something was wrong with the motor vehicle, or the motor vehicle was not working. You see what I say? And in the video, you can hear a person saying some words. So I want you to listen carefully to the words that you can hear at least one person say in the video. Alright? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe the people.
So, right, they don't have a problem, man. Music on top of so some man gonna rob on you now. We not get.
Yeah, listen.
So you can't get grab you out. On the corner, yeah, no, hurry up, you know, man, before somebody come rob you, hurry up. Bumbuck. Bad man, hurry up before somebody come joke you, bumbuck. Chuck your stuff. Come on, live one day, I say no youth.
Yeah, you are going to school people. Oh, man, hey.
Hurry up, father. We don't want nobody come joke on your side, no. A be a gunshot, I go bumbuck fire your side, no youth. I don't know if you brought down your son. Bumbuck. Enough for this. Yo, no, hurry up, man. Because no want a man come rob on your side, no youth. So shot fire, bumbuck your side, no. Beryllium, hurry up and move you.
My people, me say, ever since certain incidents happened within the country of Jamaica where they said that gunmen attacked security guards or motor vehicles that has the word Beryllium mark on it, viewers subscribers, quite a number of persons react certain ways in videos that I saw whenever them say any of those motor vehicles that have the word Beryllium mark on it, viewers subscribers. You know what, in my point of view, I cannot blame anyone who want to protect his or her life. So if a man want to protect his life, me can't say nothing wrong with that. You see me, I say, cause life precious, viewers subscribers, and I real though. Tell me what you think about that video there. Yes, so I have another video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show inside of a house. And based on some words that at least one person said in the video, I got the understanding that you can hear a person talking about someone, viewers and subscribers. See, you might be surprised to hear some of the words that the person said. In my point of view, and based on some words that at least one person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person was trying to expose or show how someone was living inside of a house. Viewers and subscribers, when I take a look at the video and tell me what I think about the video. Tell me what I think about inside of the house that you can see in this video. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Look there. Kamisha, this is where you left. At the gate. Watch here. You not even get a rubbish bag and put your rubbish and garbage them it. So you throw and left the gate. Look in the house. Look how you left in the house. Look there. Look there. Go rubbish. You move out our house Thursday and today what? Wednesday. This is Wednesday, Ash Wednesday, and Thursday you move and look there. Look at the what? Look there. Cook cobweb on the window.
Look on the floor every time.
Looking at the ceiling. Cook cobweb.
You know that trying to move what you never clean.
The light, them new fixtures when we put in. Look there. Look how you left the place.
Can you punch and move it in about me? Look there.
Look there. See? Look how you left the place. Look how you live it. Eh? There's some months that have come like about here now, you know, sweep around here, sir.
No, man, here is a course.
Eh?
Can't live here. Can't live here.
Watch that.
Can't live here. You never clean.
Eh? And look. Go the bathroom. Go on the road. Watch it. Cobweb on the door. I blow. Look here now. On the floor. Look here. Tissue roller. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tissue roller. On the ground. And some more over there, so too. More tissue roller. Look on the toilet bowl. You move out that place Thursday and Tuesday is Ash Wednesday. The Wednesday after Thursday you move out. Go the bath or the bath black and steel. Good place. Eh? Look there. Look at that. Eh? I used to come in and come here. Eh? Look there. Look at it. Look there. Put the earth. Watch it. This place not clean. Watch your window. It's now open. Eh? Look at boy. Look there. Eh? Put the floor in your bedroom. Nice style floor when we give you nice style place. Nice roof and fixtures. Look how you do it. Cook cobweb. In your bedroom you have all them big cobweb here. Look there. And you left the key to the neighbor. Yeah. Watch you looking at the bag here. Pad. But look here, pad she left in the bag there, so. No, that. Yeah? No, man. So you can live in a place here, so cook cobweb. The nice color, cook cobweb.
This cobweb, I'm going to problem on the floor.
Yeah, look there, cook cobweb.
On the floor.
Are you living at this place? Come clean up your place. And come pay me 2 years what a water rate when we go a water commission and then say your home. Eh? Look there. Somebody can live this way. My new brand cover them and put in at the place. Watch it. Eh? Jesus Christ. Crying roaches. Eh? There? Yeah. See? Watch it. Up here, roach nests. Look here, Miss Beth. This is roach nest, you know. Roach go to them there, you know.
You can smell it.
I can smell it, yeah.
My people, well, that really and truly set away. Alright, so me look at the video, and you know, the first time I see the video, I start think about certain things. So, I watch the video again and then me get a better understanding. So, I'm going to play back a part of the video and make you listen to this part of the video. Just listen to this part of the video. Listen.
You move out that place Thursday and Tuesday is Ash Wednesday. The Wednesday after Thursday you move out. Go the bath or the bath black and steel. Good place. Eh?
Alright, so the person gave a certain timing. You see me I say? So that's why I play back that part of the video there. Because when I first see the video, you know, I said to myself, say, how long that place did left like that, or how long nobody never did the inner that the house there. You know what I mean? All them things I start to think to myself. You see me I say? So that's why I play back that part of the video viewing subscribers. You see me I say? And I also received a picture of the person who you can hear someone talking about in the video. But for certain reasons, I not present the picture of viewers and subscribers because you see me the kind of person still know. Me only just want you to take a look at inside of that place, the viewers and subscribers, you know, and just leave out certain things out of the whole situation. But on a real though, I tell you the truth, you know. That look away. You know what I mean? That look away. Me know say nobody not perfect. that's it away. Yeah, so me I say, yeah man, that's it away, you know. So tell me what you think about that video. You know, tell me what you think about how inside that house look. Tell me what you think about those words that at least one person said in the video. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. So big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.